Why do airlines fill exit rows first, even on half-empty planes?
This row carries responsibility, not just legroom. In the event of an emergency, are you able to assist?
Yes, I understand.
It's not just a seat, it's a safety role. Are you willing to assist in an emergency?
Yes, I am. Ever sat here?
You agreed to this duty.
Yeah.
Yes.
What happens if no one agrees to share?
We are currently experiencing a slight delay as we need to reseat passengers to balance the aircraft for... This seat comes with legal implications.
Airlines won't let just anyone sit here.
I don't understand why I have to move. I paid extra for this seat.
I understand, sir, but exit row policy states we must ensure compliance for safety reasons.
Yes, you can say no, but here's what happens next.
Sir, you need to allow the qualified personnel to sit here.
This is completely unnecessary.
The unspoken rules of emergency rows.
Who trains for emergencies? Sometimes passengers. If we need to evacuate, please follow the instructions on this safety card to operate the exit door.
Would you open the door if needed?
Why exit doors aren't automatic? It's because in an emergency, this manual override is the safest way to ensure the door opens every time.
What if the exit row is empty mid-flight?
Exit rows are no nap zones.
Excuse me, sir. Please keep your headphones off for the safety briefing.
Oh, even frequent flyers get denied these seats.
Do you pay extra for this seat or get tested?
How fast should you open that door?
Exit row seat equals emergency teammate. We just need to ensure your shoes are suitable for emergency egress should the need arise. Are you comfortable assisting?
Yes, I understand.
The door is heavier than it looks.
Are you willing to assist in an emergency?
Yes, I am.
Exit rows, more than just a view of the wing.
Can you be moved mid-flight?
Yes, for safety.
Emergency slides only work if someone's there.
Exit rows are critical in flight, even on short flights.
What if no one's seated at the emergency door?
Exit rows are part of certified safety plans.
Think it's just extra legroom? Think again. Here's what airlines won't compromise on. Ensure the handle is fully engaged before pulling the lever.
Why some seats look better but aren't safer. The design of seats near versus far from exits explained.
Can a 60-year-old sit here? Depends.
Cabin crew checks everything, Fedora, including you.
Not all emergencies are evacuation spelled, but you still matter.
Exit door confusion could cost lives.
This is why they ask, can you assist?
I'm afraid I cannot assist you with this matter.
A small role, a massive
responsibility.
There's a checklist just for your row.
No headphones allowed during taxi. Here's why.
Emergency drill with sound cue missed due to music.
Exit row passengers go through silent assessment.
Would you sit here if you knew the responsibility?
I think it depends on who's asking and why.
It is a heavy burden, but someone must do it.
The door handle isn't where you think it is.
Real airline training uses dummies and humans.
These seats save lives, literally.
Why you can't store bags under your seat here. You're part of the evacuation plan.
Keep it ring optional. The briefing isn't optional, it's essential.
You're not a passenger, you're part of the response team.
Move! Move! Get out now!
Exit row drills reveal surprising weaknesses.
Ma'am, the regulation states that exit rows can never be near infants or pets. It's a safety requirement. We've arranged a new seat for you right over here.
Ever wonder why flight attendants watch you during taxi?
This seat costs more when again, but not for comfort.
Emergency lighting shows the way, but only if someone's there to help.
Exit row seat design is different. Here's how. Why you won't find under-seat life vests here? Safety gear is stored differently due to row regulations.
Would you volunteer to help 100 people escape?
Here's how crew decides who gets moved.
What about 12C, non-rev?
No, connecting flight is tight. Try 22A.
Okay, 22A is open.
Perfect, move them there.
The exit door won't open until this system deactivates.
Flight delays caused by empty exit rows?
It happens. It's the law. FAA and EASA require these rows to be filled.
Why exit row seats aren't assigned online sometimes.
And you confirm you meet the physical requirements for the exit row?
Yes, I'm qualified and able to assist.
Some airlines test you before assigning this seat.
Exit row passengers can't drink alcohol. Here's why.
One exit, 1 second. That's the difference.
Don't block this row con, even for a second!
This passenger refused. The crew had to act fast.
Can you lift 15 kilograms quickly? You might need to.
Exit rows are more than just policies. They're people.
Evacuate. Evacuate. Follow the lit floor path to the nearest exit.
You sat here, now what? Welcome to your briefing. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tab into the buckle. Why you won't find power outlets in these rows.
Exit rows often double as training spaces.
You might be filmed in this row, so for safety review.
Emergency rows change depending on plane type.
One job, assist the exit, or everything else comes later.
Don't use the exit unless told to, even if you think it's time.
Here's what happens when female passengers fake eligibility.
These passes are invalid. We can assist you with rebooking, but you cannot board.
Exit row seats follow stricter cleaning protocols.
These seats are the first to be checked post-landing. Cabin sweep includes handle inspection.
Why do exits always have labels in 2 languages?
International compliance requirements.
Exit rows have their own fire protocols.
Flight attendants memorize these seat numbers first.
Why the exit row seatbelt is extra strong. This is where VIPs never sit. Our airline risk policy avoids celebrities in these roles.
These rows are lit differently for a reason.
A false exit row action can cause panic.
Stop, sir! Get away from the door! I'm sorry. I thought it was the restroom.
Exit doors are tested hundreds of times a year.
A good exit row saves 15 seconds. That's 25 lives. Statistic from historical evacuation study.
This is the slide you might deploy.
Don't lean on this doorway, ever!
Why pilots need to know your seat, too.
Maybe take on you have with the advice.
Exit rows are not for the anxious. Here's why. Flight crew can reassign exit rows anytime.
In a real emergence, seconds matter.
This simple seat has saved hundreds of lives.
Why do passengers near exits get extra attention?
Exit row readiness affects takeoff timing.
Who decides exit row assignments? Software or staff? Exit row drills are filmed. Here's why.
Open the door! Move!
Come this way!
Why can't pets or service animals sit near exits? Well, the FAA restricts animals from these roads because they might obstruct access.
Exit doors differ by aircraft. Here's how.
Exit passengers might open the slide. Are they ready?
Blocked exit, move to the rear. We have to use the escape rope. Move quickly.
Exit doors have backup systems. Do passengers know?
Yes, you can lose your seat mid-flight.
You're seated in an emergency exit row. Please review the safety card. Are you able to assist in an evacuation if needed?
Yes.
Thank you.
Exit seat passengers must speak the local language. This is crucial for safety, as communication requirements vary significantly by region.
This checklist is read only to exit row seats.
Why no tray tables on these seats?
For safety. In an emergency, this path must remain completely clear for evacuation. Any obstruction could be dangerous.
Exit row passengers can assist injured crew.
These seats come with responsibility, not perks.
You have to be prepared for anything.
It's not about the extra legroom.
Put your masks on now. Secure your own mask before helping others.
Does anyone have medical experience?
We need help up here.
Exit row lighting is different for a reason.
This is how exit row seats are labeled and logged. Exit row seats get inspected more often. Not all emergencies require evacuation, but exit row must be ready.
Passengers have refused exit duties mid-air. You're not allowed to sleep here during taxi or landing.
Why exit doors are never locked like regular doors?
Flight instructors emphasize exit rows in every class. Exit row placement affects how fast a plane can be evacuated.
Exit row layouts vary on international flights. Exit doors have pressure sensors, hence, here's why.
Exit rows are part of airline liability coverage. Legal implications explained with policy documents. Seatbelt design differs in these rows.
Air marshals avoid exit rows. Budget is, here's why.
Why this row has extra legroom but stricter rules. Passengers must be over 50, assist the cabin crew during emergencies, and understand all instructions.
Children can't sit here, even if they behave. You can lose your upgrade if you fail this test.
Why exit row passengers, like a middle-aged Caucasian female passenger, are sometimes upgraded last minute. These seats are harder to book for a reason.
Are you familiar with the safety procedures here?
Exit row seats are among the most regulated in aviation. Passengers must be 15 or older.
Not all aircraft have usable exit rows. Some are for show.
If this handle is pulled by mistake, alarms go off. As you can hear, the system is fully functional.
Why window size matters in emergency rows. Visibility and rescue coordination explained.
Exit row testing includes real passengers sometimes.
Cabin crew checks posture during takeoff in these seats.
Exit rows are not for reading manuals. They are action seats.
Every major airline follows this exit row protocol.
The exit seat might be comfortable, but it's not for relaxing.
Exit door instructions are in bold print for a reason.
Crew trains weekly on these rows. Here's what they practice.
One seat, one decision kritikninga.
and hundreds of lives depend on it.